In this video, we will discuss the top 10 foods for your eyes and vision. So watch this video until the end and you will learn a good recipe for keeping your eyes healthy. As we age, we are more likely to develop eye diseases such as glaucoma, cataracts, and macular degeneration. Poor eyesight and vision problems can also occur if we don't eat the right foods rich in vitamins and minerals. To improve the health of our eyes, repair them, and protect them, we can consume certain foods that can help us achieve these goals. The top 10 foods for healthy eyes and vision include wild salmon and oily fish. These are great sources of DHA, an essential omega-3 fatty acid that helps build nerves and tissues in the eyes. Oily fish also lower inflammation in the eyes, protecting against free radical damage and helping to produce tears that lubricate and protect the eyes. Swiss chard and leafy greens. These are rich in plant pigments called lutein and zeaxanthin, which help protect against macular degeneration, central vision loss, and cataracts. Zeaxanthin can also help build blue light filters in the back of the eyes, protecting them from UV damage and harsh sunlight. Lutein helps retinas capture light and color, sending these signals to the brain so that we can see clear pictures. Beef liver. This is the richest natural source of retinol, an active form of vitamin A that is needed for our eyes to adapt to different lighting conditions. Retinol helps us see well at night, prevents night blindness and irritation from bright lights, and helps our eyes make tears to keep them lubricated and protected. Beef liver is also rich in zinc and vitamin B2, which prevent eye strain, irritation, and protect the cornea. Bell peppers. These are rich in the real vitamin C complex, which supports the collagen jelly-like substance in our eyes, protecting the blood vessels and allowing nutrients and oxygen to reach the eyes. Antioxidants like vitamin C are also important to protect our eyes by neutralizing free radicals and preventing oxidation in the tissues. Eggs. These contain all the building blocks of life, especially the yolk, which is rich in nutrients that support healthy eyes. Pasture-raised chickens are exposed to more sunshine. Eat a mixture of regular feed, grass, and small insects, making the quality of their eggs superior to the regular batch hen eggs commonly found in supermarkets. Carotenoids are bioactive compounds that give the egg yolk its deep yellow, orange, or golden color. These are what help improve the visual pigments in our eyes. Nuts. Almonds and other nuts are rich in vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that helps to protect the eyes from free radical damage. Vitamin E helps to prevent age-related macular degeneration and cataracts, as well as improving overall eye health. In addition, nuts contain omega-3 fatty acids, which help to reduce inflammation and improve the quality of tears, keeping the eyes lubricated and healthy. Almonds are particularly rich in vitamin E, so try snacking on a handful of them every day. Carrots. These are rich in beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, which helps prevent night blindness and other eye problems. Carrots also contain lutein and zeaxanthin, which protect against macular degeneration and cataracts. Avocado. This is rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, as well as vitamin E, which helps protect against oxidative damage and age-related macular degeneration. Broccoli. This is rich in vitamin C and lutein, which helps prevent cataracts and macular degeneration. Broccoli also contains sulforaphane, which supports the body's natural defense against dark chocolate. Yes, you read that right. Dark chocolate can be good for your eyes. Dark chocolate contains flavonoids and antioxidants that can help to protect the eyes from damage and improve overall eye health. In particular, dark chocolate contains a flavonoid called epicatechin, which has been shown to improve blood flow to the eyes and brain. Eating a small square of dark chocolate every day can be a tasty way to boost your eye health. Recipe for improving vision and memory. Ingredients: 1 large or 2 small homegrown carrots, chopped 50 grams of homemade walnuts, 1 organic lemon, 2 tablespoons of honey, a little bit of grated ginger. Instructions: wash and chop the carrots into larger pieces. Take 50 grams of walnuts and crush them into small pieces. Cut the organic lemon and squeeze out the juice. Take 2 tablespoons of honey. Grate a little bit of ginger. Put all the ingredients in a blender and mix well. Transfer the mixture to a glass jar and store it in the refrigerator. Take 1 spoonful of the mixture before bedtime every night. After a 7-day therapy, you will see improvements in your vision and reduce symptoms of eye diseases. Additionally, this mixture will enhance your hearing, memory, and concentration. Enjoy the benefits of this powerful natural remedy.